This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss one more resolution which is called medium resolution graphics in GW Basic Programming Language, and our module number is 21, and we will discuss the features of medium resolution, how it is used, and what are the benefits of using medium resolution as compared to the text mode. So let's start. Text mode in color certainly looks nice, but it is still not real graphics. To create lines, circles, and boxes, we need to change from text mode into graphics mode. Graphics mode requires that your personal computer be equipped with a color graphics adapter, which is in shortened form called CGA. Its abbreviation commonly used. A CGA card inside your computer works with DOS, disk operating system, and with BASIC to display medium resolution graphics. If you have a color monitor, you almost certainly have a CGA adapter. You might even have one of the fancier graphics adapter. In any case, a color monitor should be capable of handling all the examples in this chapter. If you do not have a color monitor, don't despair. You might still have the right graphics card to create the shapes. They will of course be of a single color. To switch your computer from text mode into graphics mode, issue the basic command screen 1 in graphics mode. Basic prints characters larger than in text mode instead of 80 graphics characters across the width of the display. Graphics mode prints only 40. The color command we noted above has a different syntax when used in graphics mode. The command looks the same, but the numbers have different meanings. Now we'll discuss the color background palette. In graphics mode, the background color comes first. Also, it may now be any of the 16 colors, then instead of a single color for the foreground, the color command specifies a palette of 3 colors. In the world of flesh and blood, a palette is the board an artist uses to arrange colors while painting. We will cover palette colors later to see how background colors work in graphics mode. Enter this program. So viewers, I'm gonna execute a program to understand the concept of background colors, how they work in graphics mode, and how the CGA color and screen statements can be used by using the graphics mode. So let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language, where I'm going to execute the program to understand the concept of this. So here we are, viewers. In line 10 we will type RAM and then type asterisk like this. We were using in our previous programs, you know very well about that. Line 20 will type RAM and then asterisk and then type CGA color, name of the program, like this. We have been using the same format. Line 30 we'll type RAM display displays background colors available in graphics mode. Line 40, again RAM and then asterisk like this. Line 50, here the actual executable statement used, which is screen 1. We're using screen 1 as a graphics mode. Line 60, we will type print, enter a number in the range 0 to 15. Line 70, we will type print once again and then type enter 99 to quit. Line 80, I'm gonna type a full stop over here like this and then over here again, so that it means that the statement is completed. Line 80, type input statement and type background percentage integer variable, which will take the input from the user. Line 90, we'll type if background percentage equal to 99, then end. Then the program will be ended if 99 will be input by the user after the execution of the program. Line 100, we'll type if background percentage is greater than 15, then go to 60. So if the value is greater than 15, because there is no, the range is actually from 0 to 15, so if the user gives the value greater than 15, then the control will be transferred unconditionally from line 100 to 60, so he will be asked to enter the value from 0 to 15, which is the actual range of giving a background color number. Line 110, if background percentage is less than 0, go to 60. Same operation will be performed, and then the control will be again transferred to line 60, where the user will be asked once again to enter the value of background, because the range is 0 to 15, so the value should not be less than 0 or greater than 15. Line 120, color statement is used. Color background percentage comma 1. Line 130, CL statement is used. Line 140, print the background color is background percentage, and then line 50, go to 60 is used. So this is the whole code. So I'm gonna save this program by pressing the F4 key and then type name CGA color.bas, name of the file. I'm gonna press F2 key to run the execution of the program. So now we are in the screen 1 mode. Enter a number in the range 0 to 15, 99 to quit. If I type 99, then program will stop its execution, and if I type less, then I can see the whole program. But if I type F2 once again, like okay, 99 to quit, and then press F2 key. So I'm gonna give 12. I can see the background color 12 on the screen. If I type 0, you can see black. Type 1, blue, and then type 2, green, 3, light blue, 4, red, and then 5, purple, 6, and then 7, then 8, and then 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Now I give more than 15, like 16. So you can see. So viewers, we have noticed that whenever we give a value from 0 to 15, we can see a different background color like this. So from 0, but if we give a less than value 0, like if I give -3, then it asks us to give one more time to give the proper range, which is from 0 to 15. So if I get 12, any number between 0 to 15, you can see a very beautiful background color. But if I press 99, I can quit from the program. But if I again press the F2 key, and then it will be asked, and the program will ask the user to give any value. Like I'm gonna give 11 over here. So you can see every time a different color on the screen. So let's switch to the text area, where I will discuss the interpretation of the whole execution of this program from coding till execution. So let's switch to the IDE. So let's switch to the text area, viewers. So here we are, viewers. Here's the program which we just executed in the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language, and the purpose of this program is it displays the background colors available in graphics mode, and the screen which we have used in the program was screen 1. So there are multiple screens like screen 2, screen 9. They are more clickable, and we can use all these screen numbers from 1, 2 and 9 to display background and foreground colors. Very helpful. So it is I've selected one of the color, and the color which I gave as an input was 12. So you can see the output, you can see color on the screen. Now I'm gonna interpret this program in the interpretation section. So let's start its interpretation. So just like the text color program we executed before, txt color name of the program, the previous program we executed in the previous video. CGA color can be used, since the name of the program is CGA color, so we will discuss the name of the program as CGA color can be, actually we are talking about the name of the program. CGA color can be used to explore colors to use in your program. Since screen 1 graphics mode displays only 40 characters across the monitor, you probably will not add medium resolution graphics to the programs you have already written. To switch from graphics mode back into text mode, enter these commands, and the commands are screen 0, which is actually used for text mode, and then width 80. The screen 0 command returns to text mode. However, the display is still only 40 characters wide. The width (80) allows you to use all highly 80 spaces across the screen. You might find it easier work on your program in text mode. So viewers, that's the interpretation, actually a brief interpretation of the execution of the program. We executed just in the IDE of GW Basic. Very helpful in learning how we can use screen mode instead of text mode, and how we can display the BG background colors available in it. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next videos we will discuss more and more about graphics in GW Basic programming language. That's all. Thanks for watching.